totally divisible by this 987. Now which number is divisible by 987? To check this, if some number is divisible by 987, then it should be divisible by 3, 7 and 47 all, right? So let's try each option A, B, C, D. Okay. Now A, 55, 36, 81. Instead of XX we will write this 36 now. So is it divisible by 3? Try it. Add the numbers and try. Yes. By 7? No. For 7 you will have to do it yourself. Divide all the things or use the test for 7. So it is not divisible by 7. That's why don't check for 47 now. Okay. Next. 55, 51, 81. This second option. Now here, divisible by 3? No. Add the numbers and check? No. So don't check for 7 and 47. It's gone. Third, 55, 56, 81. Divisible by 3? Yes. Divisible by 7? Yes. And then divisible by 47? That also yes. You try it yourself dividing. See here, we have a test of 7 also. But for 47 no test, you will have to try it personally. Okay. You get the answer is 11823 into 47. So C is the option. C means 56 should be replaced. Should be replacing 99. So that is the answer. Next is Sam, Advik and Trishu go for a morning walk. They step off together and their steps measure 35, 32 and 40 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete steps? It means basically you have to find the LCM of 35, 32 and 40. So start 35, 32, 40. Start dividing 5, 7, 32, 8. Then 5 8 then 7, 1, 32, 8. 8, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1. So multiply it 1120. So they should take minimum 1120 steps. It should be centimeters. 1120 centimeters. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.